8 minus 1 in bracket 8 minus 1. Now 8 minus 1, this is going to give us 7. 8 minus 1, this is going to give us 7. 7 multiplied by 7, this is going to give us 49. But this answer is wrong because according to the order of operation, BODMAS, we have to solve for this bracket. This is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And don't forget, we are solving with this rule from left to right. So our answer is not 49, okay? So first of all, we have to solve this bracket first, which is 8 minus 1 times 8 minus 1, this is going to give us 7. So the next here is multiplication, which is this. 8 minus 1 times 7 is going to give us 7. So 8 minus 7, this is going to give us -1. And this is the final answer.